Have you ever felt boxed in by the familiar, especially when making big tech decisions? Like when it's time to scale up your cloud services, and everyone's first thought is, let's just stick with what we know. If you've been there, questioning if there's a better path you're missing, then you're in the right place. Grab a cup of coffee and let's chat about getting out of your technology comfort zone. I'm Tina Marie Baugh. I have over 25 years of hands on experience in technology leadership. I aim to provide practical insights so seasoned tech experts turned managers can bridge the gap between their technical prowess and leadership excellence. Over my career, I've seen the tech landscape evolve at an astonishing rate. One of the constants? The challenge of choosing the right technologies for our organizations. Let's go over 5 tips for ensuring we're making the best decisions for our organization, not just the comfortable ones. We'll use our cloud services example. The first tip is to dedicate roles to scouting out tech and presenting it to your team. Consider we're a Microsoft shop, naturally inclined towards Azure for our cloud expansion. However, to ensure we are making the best decision, we assign subject matter experts, SMEs, not only for Azure, but also for Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud, and any other potential cloud service. These experts dive deep into the offerings, evaluating each not just on familiarity, but on criteria crucial to our unique needs. Then they present back what they learned to the team. This spreads out the workload, encourages deep learning, and presentation skills. This is helpful during a project and during maintenance and improvement of existing systems. These types of assignments are often well received by team members and provide the ability for everyone to get involved in decision making. The second tip is to leverage experts outside our organization. This includes contacting our professional networks, vendor partners, and industry groups. We can also attend conferences and educational sessions. Hearing how different organizations implemented and are utilizing Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud can provide invaluable insights and perhaps highlight advantages or concerns we hadn't considered. Remember, you have vendor partners who are ready to give presentations at any time. When reaching out, be clear on the exact agenda to be covered, objectives for the session, and the knowledge level of attendees about the product. Setting a clear agenda with objectives helps ensure targeted technical presentations instead of a sales pitch. The third tip is to leverage technology intelligence platforms. But what exactly does this mean? And how do we sift through the noise to find valuable insights? When we talk about technology intelligence platforms, we're referring to tools like Gartner, Forrester, IDC, or even specialized platforms like CB Insights or Crunchbase. These platforms provide in-depth research analysis and comparison of various technologies and vendors, offering a blend of quantitative data and expert analysis. For instance, if we're exploring cloud services expansion, these platforms can compare AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and others based on performance metrics, security features, compliance with industry standards, and cost efficiency. What we are not looking for are those seemingly informative comparisons that are actually sponsored content or paid advertisements. These can often present themselves as unbiased reviews, but are designed to favor a particular service or product. So, how do we tell the difference? We look, check, and evaluate. Start by looking for transparency. Reputable platforms will always disclose their research methodologies and any potential conflicts of interest. They'll explain how they gathered their data and the criteria used for comparison. Then we check the source. Verify the credibility of the platform or publication. Look for a consistent track record of unbiased reporting and depth of analysis. Reputable sources invest significantly in their research and are recognized by industry professionals. Finally, we evaluate the depth of the analysis. Genuine comparisons dive deep into the specifics, beyond what's readily available on the service providers' websites. They'll cover user experiences, integration capabilities, scalability, and real-world application challenges. By focusing on insights from trusted technology intelligence platforms and maintaining a critical eye towards potential biases, we ensure that our decisions are informed by the most accurate and comprehensive data available. Remember, it's about getting beyond the sales pitches to the facts that matter to our organization. The fourth tip to get out of our technology comfort zone is to nurture a culture of continuous learning and curiosity. By weaving regular discussions about emerging technologies, their unique features, and the business challenges they address into our routine, we open our minds and those of our team to new possibilities. When considering cloud platforms, for instance, it's crucial to foster open dialogues and learning sessions that delve into what each can offer beyond our current understanding. To facilitate these discussions, consider sharing articles along with your insights and inviting feedback from your team. Maybe organize brown bag lunches where everyone can watch a brief training video or webinar together, followed by a group discussion to share thoughts and ideas. Another effective approach is to host internal tech fairs, where team members showcase different technologies or solutions they've explored, creating a forum for knowledge sharing and sparking interest in new tools. These strategies not only encourage continuous education, but also build a team dynamic that values exploration and knowledge sharing. This approach ensures we're well equipped to recognize and adopt the most suitable technologies for our strategic goals, fostering a culture that's always ahead of the technological curve and ready to innovate. The fifth tip is to embrace virtual labs for hands-on technology exploration. Virtual labs offer a cost-effective and flexible way for you and your team to experiment with new technologies, systems, and software from anywhere at any time. How do you set this up so it's fast and easy for your team? First, choose the right virtual lab platform for your team. You may want a training environment, or you may want a real virtual lab environment. Virtual training labs are often part of a training course system, like Pluralsight. Regular virtual lab options, like Microsoft Azure Lab Services, AWS Lab, and Google's Quick Labs, provide extensive environments for testing and learning without the need for physical infrastructure. Select the one that is right for you and your team's goals. Second, integrate exploration time into schedules. As we know, what gets scheduled gets done. The investment in virtual labs will be wasted if you don't allocate regular time slots for your team to engage with these virtual labs. If we make this time like a scheduled appointment that can't be moved easily, then it's more likely the experimentation will be complete. Finally, we want to promote sharing and discussion. After experimenting, encourage your team to share insights and applications they see for your organization, enhancing collective knowledge and innovation potential. I find that having goals and documented exploration reports, even simple one-page Word documents where people capture their thoughts, helps drive the conversation. Virtual labs enable your team to dive into new technologies with minimal risk and investment, fostering an environment of continuous technological engagement and growth. And there we have it, 5 tips to help you get out of your technology comfort zone. By establishing dedicated roles, leveraging external networks, utilizing intelligence platforms, fostering a culture of continuous learning, and embracing virtual labs, we ensure the decisions we make are the best for our organization. As we continue to navigate the vast and dynamic landscape of technology leadership, I invite you to dive deeper by checking out my other videos. Each one is designed to offer you actionable insights and strategies to enhance your leadership skills in the tech industry. Until next time, innovate, inspire, learn, and lead. You got this.